It was a cold, stormy night. Mary, Pat, and Ellie are just driving home from a long day of classes. They are chatting about their long day as they enter inside their apartment building. Ellie opens the door, and Mary Pat cautiously locks the door behind them. They make their way to the kitchen table to start their homework. As they are peacefully studying, they begin to hear noises inside their house. The thunder gets louder and louder. They both know they locked their door on the way out to classes, and they locked it when they came home. Ellie goes over to the fireplace to check to see if anything or anyone is in the chimney. Nothing there. Ellie points to the kitchen to check and see if there's anything in the kitchen. There's a noise inside the dishwasher. Ellie grabs the broom in case she needs to take action. Nothing there. Mary Pat wants to check the fridge. Nothing there. She heads over to the stairs to see if there's someone downstairs. No one is there. They both are tired and want to go to bed. Ellie and Mary Pat walk into their bedroom and get comfy in bed. Ellie can't sleep. She opens her eyes every other minute throughout the night. She hears footsteps. She continues to fall in and out of sleep. Mary Pat finally falls asleep. Ellie at this point is sleeping as well. The door creaks open. The next morning, Ellie and Mary Pat are dead. Their other roommate killed them.